Okay, this video is for Binh Nam Vu. I don't know if that's pronounced correctly. I apologize. I'm really bad with names I'm not familiar with. But I just wanted to show you what the video is going to look like. And I'm recording this right now with my iPhone 7. But I wanted to show you. Here's a waterproof case that comes with the camera, and they come with tons of accessories. This is the SJ Cam 5000X. This is the bill mount I was talking about. It goes on a hat. This is the waterproof case from a SJ6 Legend, and I've got it mounted with an external case so the sound is better, and I'll show you what it sounds like with and without the mic. I have a mic inside my helmet, and just so you know, the mic is mounted next to my ear. It's to block the wind noise a little bit when I'm riding, because I use it while I ride a motorcycle, and also it picks up my Bluetooth communications so you can hear conversations and stuff in my videos. And then here's the regular strap head mount. And I think this is going to be the best option. I don't like these because I don't feel like they're comfortable. But I think it'll work the best. Because the bill mount, it's going to, if I aim it down, it's going to look right at the mount here. Now I could add some extensions and get it out further, but then it gets heavier out at the end. So we'll see. I'll try a couple different ones and I'll show you and I'll tell you what they are as I film. So I just set up a little test table here. I've got a phone here. I'm not going to actually work on it, but I'll pop it open, and I just wanted you to see the clarity you're going to get with these little fine tools. I'll lay down a couple little screws, that kind of thing, and see how they show up in the video here. All right, give me a moment, I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is the SJ Cam 5000X, and I've always felt like this had a little bit better video than the SJ6 Legend. Yeah, the SJ6 Legend. SJ6 Legend is my newest camera, and the reason I have that is because it has a mic input jack. So I have a mic mounted inside the helmet. The SJ5000 does not have that. The SJ5000 has had like a dozen firmware updates, and every time I get an update, it's better. The video's better, everything's just better about it. The SJ6 has only received 2 updates, so I'm thinking maybe that's why it's not as good. And they moved on from the 6 really quickly. They went to the 7, and now they're on the 8. So I think they just kind of abandoned the firmware on that. The SJ5000 was around for a while. So anyways, I'm just going to hook up to the app here so I can get a reference of what I'm viewing. And as you can see here, as I zoom in, it's pretty laggy. It's a little bit slow showing what you're getting. But it gives you something to frame to. So I'm going to put the hat on. I'm wearing the ball cap with the bill clip. And we'll see if this will actually show what we're doing. So I'm sitting down in the chair. I'm about 12 inches away from what I'm working on here. It's just an old phone I've got. I think this pops open. I don't even know. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I'm not really going to work on this phone. I just wanted to show you, what everything's going to look like in the video. So let me grab a little. Just so you know, my eyes are blurry right now, so I can't see this stuff very good. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to see what the video is going to look like. Gosh, I can't hardly see that screw. Anyway, there we go. So this is, like I say, about 12 inches away from my hands. Just give you an idea of what we're working on here. Here's a screw, it's a little bit bigger. As you can see, these little tiny screws. You're mostly dealing with these on the projects you're doing probably. But I kind of wanted to give examples here. So this is the SJ5000X. This is the audio going through the built-in speaker or microphone. And I will here in a moment do the SJ6 Legend, and I'll show you the audio through the camera itself and then also through the external mic. So I'm going to aim this down a little bit more and see if I run into the bill. Wow, I can aim it down and it doesn't hit the bill. I thought it was going to show the mount in the video, so this actually works well. This is the ball cap with the bill mount. It's just a clip, and this comes in the camera. When you get the camera, the box, it comes with probably 20 different mounting attachments. It's just a ton of stuff in the box. A lot better than GoPro does. GoPro charges separate for everything. Okay, so let me switch over to another camera. Okay, so now I'm recording through the SJ6 Legend. And as you can see, there's a little bit of delay on this also, but it allows you to frame your shot. This is the mount I was using on the SJ5000X. It's the bill cap mount. Sorry, I'm not sure what I'm showing you. This comes with the camera kit. So does this frame here, this mount. Also, they come with waterproof cases, and that's the case in both cameras that I got, the SJ6 and the SJ5000. And there's also a ton of other accessories to mount it to things, suction cups and selfie stick mounts and all kinds of stick-on mounts, all that stuff. Lots of things in the box. So this is the example from the SJ6. There's a little screw, tip of the screwdriver. We'll try and look close at this label here. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the camera screen and do this at the same time. I don't usually do that. That appears to be slightly blurry, I'm thinking, but my eyes are blurry, so I'm not positive. That's like, I don't know, 2 inches away. It's about 6 inches away. It's about 12 inches away. And that's about 18 inches away. And the reason I'm showing you the tools and screws and things like that is just so you can get an example of what you're going to be able to show when you're doing it. The other thing is the audio right now is going through the external microphone. I will unplug that real quick. So evidently when I unplugged the external microphone, it disconnected the audio. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this video. This is just giving you a sound, let you know what it sounds like when I'm recording using the built-in microphones on the camera. This is the SJ6. So this is what it sounds like using the built-in microphone and not the external mic. So as I was making this video, there was a firmware update that came to the camera. So I just wanted to do another recording real quick just to see if there's any difference. This is the mic built into the camera. Get up close to some small text again. Small text appears to be really blurry, so these cameras probably are not good for macro at all. I don't know if the GoPro's any better at macro, I'm not sure. Have to look at some samples of that. There we go. So my SJ5000X Elite also got a firmware update, so this is an example of that. So 1 foot, 6 inches, 2 inches. I'm pretty sure that's blurry. See that little screw again. And the audio is coming out of the main mic built into the camera itself. See how that sounds?